If your bookkeeping lives in a shoebox, a spreadsheet, or somewhere in your inbox, you're not alone. Most small business owners put off their books because it feels complicated, overwhelming, and time-consuming. And then tax season hits, and it's panic mode. This is where ProfitBooks comes in. ProfitBooks is an AI-powered self-serve accounting solution that turns messy business finances into clean, tax-ready books, automatically. Getting started takes minutes. No accounting experience required. Sign up, verify your email, set your business details, and choose how far back you want to clean up. A few months or a few years. Next, connect your bank account securely. ProfitBooks pulls in your transaction data in real time and begins organizing them instantly. Your connection is encrypted. Then upload your receipts, invoices, and statements into our secured document vault. ProfitBooks deploys a library of Docyt AI agents to read and extract relevant data, and matches them with your bank data, and links them to the right transactions automatically. Behind the scenes, Docyt AI categorizes your income and expenses with 99% confidence, reconciles your bank and credit card accounts, and keeps everything aligned with your accounting policies. ProfitBooks is powered by Docyt's high-precision accounting intelligence system known as Docyt HPAI, trained on 128 billion-plus accounting data points across over 20 industry verticals. This enables Docyt AI agents to learn your business as they work. You can review everything if you want, but most users don't have to lift a finger. That's true hands-free bookkeeping. And just like that, what started as chaos becomes clarity. Your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet, your cash flow statement. Clean, accurate, tax-ready. No chasing spreadsheets, no late-night reconciliation, no accounting jargon. In 1 week, your books could be fully cleaned and tax-ready. Start your 7-day free trial